Hello, boys and girls. So here you see my 6th grade EC class on Google Classrooms. This is what your homepage will look like. Right here where it says my name, it says, "Hello, boys and girls. I am so excited to be working with you this year." This is where any announcements that I might post are going to come up. Over here to the left-hand side, you see that there's no work come due soon. But when I add assignments into your Google Classroom, right here is where those assignments will come up. Sometimes I will have something where you have to go up and click on classwork, and then you have to choose classwork. You're seeing the teacher view, so your view won't look exactly like this, but you will have a link to where you can click on classwork, and then you can go scroll through and choose all of your different assignments. Reminder, there's not going to be a lot of independent practice work, but this is where I will assign that work to you. If you have any questions, email me. You can put a question in here if you like on a comment that I put. If you have a question, and I will email you a response to that question. Here's our class code. You will be getting a code link in your school email. You'll click on that to join the class, and that's where you will find your assignments. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I cannot wait to use Google Classroom to help you learn virtually this year, and I hope to see everyone back in school very soon.